What is this place? Oh wait, no. What the? No. I don't like the dark. Somebody help me. No. I can't do nothing. I cannot physically do nothing in here. Okay. Am I getting closer, or am I staying still? I don't know. I don't like this. Okay. This is just making me worse. I don't want to be here no more. I just composed myself. Are you okay? You're dreaming. You're hallucinating. It's all just a dream. Right? Please tell me this is all just a dream. Okay. Look, I'm walking, but I'm not. I'm moving myself. Where am I? Oh, bad. This is bad. I don't know where I am. Oh, great. It's getting darker. I do not like the dark. Oh. What am I gonna tell Leaf about me being gone so long? Am I out? Wait, what? Where am I going?
Hello there. This is Nebiel. This is the first of many patches of audio that will be sitting in this machine. I don't want to take up too much space in this thing, so I'll get straight to the point.
Oh, hell no. Let me out.
The sickness hasn't been easy to deal with. Every day, a handful of people are taken over by this parasite. Even after creating a cure, I'm still unsure if I will catch the illness. If I catch it, I'm done for. I'll just need to isolate myself. Scarlet will need to do the same. I hope everything will be okay. I don't have a lot of space to work with here, but I'll try my best.
Let me out. Parasite.
I'm going to stop the recording now. Goodbye. I'll talk to you again next week.
Next week! Next week! I'm scared. I'm scared. Why am I glowing? This is okay. This is not as bad. Done. Am I dead? Wait, what? Am I infected? Can I am I able to leave? I don't think I am not able to leave. Oh, it's getting brighter. And I'm fading. I am a star, so am I made out of stars? I'm literally wait, my name is Star and I'm made out of stars. Classical boo. This is trippy.